Good morning, Parkland. It's a Friday and a half day. Do you realize we haven't had a full week of school since we started? Today will be wet. That's right, lots of rain and 55 degrees. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. This weekend, a movie called The Martian opens in theaters. The movie is about an astronaut who gets stranded on Mars and has to find ways to stay alive. Can Mars actually sustain life? Well, in real life, we're closer than ever to finding an answer. Earlier this week, NASA announced that they had proof of flowing water on the red planet. The source of the water is a mystery. Scientists said it could be melting ice, an underwater aquifer, water vapor from a thin atmosphere, or some combination of these. Now let's go to Joey and find out what's happening at Parkland.
Thanks, Art. First, thank you to all the students who have auditioned for Fear Factory. The cast list is posted and your first rehearsal is Tuesday. After school, do you want to join a group of individuals and learn about leadership, aerospace, education, physical fitness, character development, and much more? Join the Civil Air Patrol. Their first full formation will occur next Wednesday. See Miss McGraw if you have any questions. Have you ever wondered who makes those cool apps on your cell phone? Have you ever wanted to make your own apps? Join the App Developer Club and help create new apps. Who knows, maybe you will win the competition. See Mr. Owen and sign up in room 1210. Beginning next week, we will be debuting a new segment here on PPTV, Sam's Corner. Our resident advice expert, Sam, will be here to answering your questions. If you have any questions for Sam, place it in the envelope on the door of the TV studio, and each week we will pick out a few questions for Sam to answer. Now here is Anika to tell us about the Ionic TV show.
Thank you, Joey. In 1959, people turned into a new show and saw this.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
The Twilight Zone was the brainchild of Emmy Award winner Rod Serling, who served as host and wrote over 80 episodes of the show's 150-plus episode run. It's a strange mix of horror, science fiction, drama, comedy, and superstition. Serling introduced each episode, and many of the black and white hours concluded with a surprise ending. The show was hugely successful, and the success of the series led to a feature film, a radio series, a comic book, a magazine, and various other spin-offs that spanned 5 decades, including 2 revival television series. Check out this video about it.
The Twilight Zone. The 60s saw no show greater than this sci-fi anthology series.
There's a man out there. What? Look, he's crawling on...
Creator Rod Serling, who also hosted the show, often used his unrelated stories as vehicles for social commentary.
A doll can become many things. Friend, defender, guardian.
But The Twilight Zone was far from a drab civics lesson.
No. Doesn't matter.
with many soon-to-be stars in early roles.
Am I really so bad? Am I really so frightening?
The compelling tales were some of the darkest and most gripping hours that had ever been on TV. And they blazed the trail for the medium's future. We're still creeped out.
My name is Talkie Tina, and I'm beginning to hate you.
Wish these students a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear wonderful person who's having a birthday today. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Thank you, Anika. Panthers, Dr. Seuss said, don't cry because it's over, smile because it's happened. Be thankful for all that you have and all that people do for you. Have a great weekend and we'll see you on Monday. Bye.
And all the kids now, they come running. And it's the weekend, it's the weekend. And all the parents, they keep calling, but there's no answer.